Right, okay, everyone, and very good morning. Right, nice to see you again. Right, then today we are going to learn a new lesson, perimeter. Perimeter. You know perimeter. Then last day we discussed about decimals, and today you have to learn perimeter. The perimeter, you know all. The perimeter. Here you should know, before learning the perimeter, you should know the plane figures. What is plane figures means? Plane figures. When plane figures are here, look like this. Here the plane figure should have straight lines, only straight lines. Here this is plane figure. They have draw the only straight line, and this is must close plane figure, not open. This is open plane figure. The plane figures must close plane figure. Here all lines are straight line. Here this is look like what? I don't have ruler, therefore this is look like what? The opposite side. These are opposite side. There are four lines, no? There are four sides. You know these are sides, no? These are sides. There are four sides. These are two opposites. This is opposite sides, no? Right. If this is 10 centimeters, this is, what is this? This is rectangle, no? This is rectangle. You know this is rectangle. In rectangles, opposite sides are equal. If this is 10, this also 10. This opposite side also equal. If this is 5 centimeter, this also 5 centimeter. You should know here 5 centimeter. If this is 10, if this is 10, right here, this is rectangle. Now this is the plane figure. Find the perimeter of this rectangle. If you want to find the perimeter, you should add every length, all length, the sum of length, here the perimeter of this rectangle is 10. There are two values, 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Then when add this, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 5 25, 20 plus 5 30 centimeters. The unit is centimeters because they have given centimeters. Understand it? Then the perimeter is the sum of all length. You should add. Here this is rectangle. Right. Another plane figures. Now rectangle is a plane figure. Another one. What is this? If all sides are equal, this is square. No, this look like square. This is square. Right. In square, all sides are equal. If this is 10 centimeters, you should know over here. Look the symbols. All sides are 10. All sides are equal. The perimeter. The first letter is perimeter. No? P. The perimeter of this square is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Here 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. They have given the unit is centimeter. 40 centimeters. This is square. Right? Square. This is square. Now another one. Here look at this. What is this? This is triangle. No? This is triangle. Right here triangle. Right. If three sides are there, it is triangle. Here this is 10 meters. This is 10 meters. This is 12 meters. This is 8 meters. This is 8 meters. What is the perimeter of this? Right. Perimeter is the sum of all sides. The perimeter of this is 10 plus 12 plus 8. No? And don't write the direct answer. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 10, 30. The unit is meters. Some students written 30 meters. Very wrong. You should write how to get this answer. 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. I have a pole. Do this. Hello? Oh, now. Get it. Hurry. Hurry. Right. Okay. 10 plus 12 plus 8. The answer is 30 meters. The answer is 30 meters. Right. Then, okay. Then, another one. Another plane figure. Here, another plane figure. Here, what is this? Here, this plane figure is parallelogram. No? Is parallelogram. Here, parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. If this is 10 centimeters, this also 10 centimeters. The parallel means this is parallelogram. Parallel means here, this parallel. Here, and this also parallel. Opposite sides equal. This is 5. If this is 5. This is parallelogram. Right. Now, when find the perimeter of this, add 10 plus 5 plus 5. 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 30. 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. This is parallelogram. Right? You should know this parallelogram. Right. What is this figure? What is this figure? Is this parallelogram? This is all sides are equal but not square. This is rhombus. If this shape rhombus, in rhombus all sides are equal. Rhombus. Rhombus. Here if this is 10, this also 10, this also 10, 10. Right. Then to find the perimeter, 10 into 4, 40. If meters, 40 meters. Understand? This is rhombus. This is parallelogram. This is rhombus. Right. Then another plane figure. Here, this is important plane figure. This is square. This is circle. Square is square. No. This is circle. No. This is circle. Right. Here, this is circle. What is this? What is this point? What is the name of this? This is, yes, this is, what is this? This is center, no? This is, you should know, this is center. Right. Here, what is this? Here, the perimeter. Especially in circle, we should name circumference. Circumference. Not perimeter. The circumference of the circle means the length of this area. The circumference means perimeter. Not perimeter, circumference. Sum of length. Circumference means. Right. Then center and circumference. Then the center is O. If circumference on a circle is A, the OA distance is radius. We know this is radius. OA distance is a radius. Right. Then B is a point on a circle. C also point on a circle. When join BC through center, this line diameter. Simple D. Diameter. Then you should know this. What is center, what is radius, what is diameter, what is circumference. Especially in circle, not perimeter, circumference. You know this. Right. To find perimeter of this, to find the circumference of the circle is, you should learn later, 2 is equal to 5r. What's the formula? C is equal to 5r. All know this. C is equal to 5r. You know the diameter is twice of the radius. No, you know the diameter is twice of the radius. If radius 5 centimeter, diameter 10 centimeters. If diameter 20 centimeters, radius 10 centimeters. Always radius is half of the diameter. Then you can substitute this. C is equal 5d. C is equal 5d. Now we can use this formula to find the circumference of the circle. Not today, but we should learn this. Right. In new lessons, we talk about circles, especially circles. Right. Then, okay. Now, these are plane figures. These are plane figures. Right. Here, they have given, find the perimeter of this. Here, look Look at this. This is 10 centimeter. This also 10 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of this. Here the sum one they have given. Here this is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 3. Here, but this length is, this side is 10 centimeters, but they have given 3. Then what is the value of this length? If this is 3, here, if this is 3, this also 3. If this is 3, this must be 10 minus 3, this must be 7, no? Right, this distance is, this length is 10, but here to here 5 centimeters, then this must be 5. Then this must be 5. You can imagine, no? You can imagine. The perimeter of this is 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5. Then the answer is 10, 20, 23, 30, 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters, the perimeter. No? But sometimes they have given like this. 10 centimeters, only this 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter. But they didn't give this value. They didn't give. Right? But you should know, find the perimeter. Here, if this is 10, here this line is, this straight line is 10. This, adding this to making this also, to making this, the sum of this length is 10. The sum of this two lengths is 10. Right? Here this is 10 centimeters, no? If this is 10, the adding of this to adding of this makes 10. The adding of this makes 10. This also 10. Therefore, here this also 10, this also 10. The perimeter is 10 plus 10 plus here 10, 10, then 40. 40 centimeters. Understand? 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. Right. You should know this. Huh? Right. Then another one. Another example. They have given this. Right. Okay. Then find the perimeter. The old data here 10, 15, 7. Right. Here now 15. No. This is 15. If this is 10, no. This also, this side is 10 because equal. If this is 15, no. Here these three lines are equal. These three are equal. If this is here, when 15 divided by 3, 1 is 5. This also 5. This also 5. Then 5, 10, 15. If this is 7, this also 7. Right? Now you can add perimeter is 2 tens, 15, 2 15 and 7 plus 7 14. Then 30, 40, 50, 64 centimeters perimeter. Understand? 64 centimeters. Right. I think you will understand this. Okay. Now, do this homework at home. Do this homework at home. Do this at home. Perimeter. Right. Can draw this. Right here. $15. This also. Yes, can you see? Yes, now you can see, no? Now you can see. Right. Right. Here the second one. The perimeter of equilateral triangle is 30 centimeters. What is the side of a length? The perimeter, the perimeter, the perimeter of the perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 30 centimeters. Find the length of side. Find the length of side. Right. The equilateral triangle is here. Now I have to teach this. Equilateral triangle is here, you know, all sides are equal in equilateral triangle, but the perimeter is 30. No, they have given perimeter is 30. Now they have given the sides. Now imagine this is x, this is x, this also x, because equilateral triangles. No, then x, then 3x. No, 3x is equal 30. When divided by 3, x is 10. No, the side is 10. The simple equation, you should know simple equation. This is simple equation, this. Right. Understand? Right. Here no need to do second one, nah? Right. Then another one. Here second one. This is 2x plus 1. This is x. The perimeter of this is 64. Find the breadth. Find x. Find x. Find x. Right. Okay. Then can you complete this at home? Can you complete this at home? Right. Okay. Here now today we discuss about perimeters. We discuss about perimeters. Do this exercise and use grade 8 and grade 9, especially the first lesson of grade 10. No, the first lesson of grade 10, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, all lessons are there in perimeter. Therefore, find the lesson and try to complete all the exercises. And as I told you earlier, find the past paper book and complete all questions. Okay, now shall we finish? Okay, then let's start another day. Till then, goodbye all of you. I go on.